All right, so to plug it in, I was incorrect. This is 79,000. All you have to do is plug in your information into your triangle. So let's go ahead and start with our specific heat. We're gonna put it right here on the bottom where it is in the formula. Yo, how's it going? Let me pause this for a second. All right, so calories per gram Celsius. We got that plugged in. Let's go ahead and put our delta T. Now remember that delta T is a change in temperature, not the temperature itself. So we need to figure out how many degrees it changed from our starting point to our end point. Let's see. So if we go from negative 138 to negative 13, we end up with a change in temperature of 125 Celsius. Now remember, delta T means change in temperature. It doesn't mean actual temperature at the end of the process. That's what throws a lot of people off. And then we can enter our energy, which was 79,000 calories. All right, so we got everything plugged into our triangle. So now we can solve for mass. And in order for you to do that, all you have to do is find out where everything is. Notice that 79,000 calories is on top. So you end up with 79,000 calories. So everything else is going to be on the bottom half of this due to it being in a division problem. Okay, we got our specific heat, 11.5 calories per gram Celsius. Okay, our like terms cancel out. Boom. No, not the whole thing. There we go. Times our change in temperature, which is 125 degrees Celsius. And our like terms right there, which leaves us with a product in grams. So throwing that into your calculator, make sure that you have parentheses right here so that way it doesn't mess up. That throws some people off too. The end product, you should end up with 5.495 and a couple more decimal places. But if we round it up, we're going to end up with 5.5 grams. Now I'm going to throw a practice video. You don't have to do those. Make sure that we got a good grasp on this, but you're probably not going to use this again until you get to chemistry, especially considering that we can't really do the labs that we had planned for it. But there you go. Any questions, hit me on Remind or email me or post it on Classroom. Okay, and here guys, just I'll be at the school from 9 to 1, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Tuesdays and Thursdays I will be at my computer during regular times. Be sure to shoot me questions. After 4 o'clock it gets a little bit iffy on if I'm going to be able to respond or not. But if you need help, holler. It's what I'm here for, because it's not like I'm doing anything else with my life right now. So that's it. If you have any more questions, just email me or send it on Classroom.